everyone, I'm Hallie. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show my mini zine journal one-page thingy that I based off of the Eco Dyed autumnal kit that I did. So all the quotes from the other kit I put on little backgrounds of leaves, and you get 2 pages. So you get all those quotes, and so here's page 1, and then here's page 2, and I already cut this. So you just fold along these lines and then fold here, and then you cut it so that you get that triangle, and then you just put it together, and there's the front. So then you get 2 little mini journals of different quotes. If you do this on regular printer paper, which is what this is on, then you can just glue it, and then you have a cute little, you've got 2 cute little quote books. Or what you can do is if you print this onto cardstock, it's a little bit sturdier, and then you can create tuck spots. So you would glue here, and just down here, and then you'd have a tuck spot up top. And then what you could do is, from that other kit, I have all these different leaves of like different colors. So then you could use those as, little things in there. I think what I do is like either put like a tag or a paper clip or something to secure that. Or you could also go through the quotes and then put one of these in the middle, or however you wanted to do that. So I think what I'm going to do with this kit though is I usually, with my digi kits, I just do a freebie with the actual digi and email it. But for this one, since it's so teeny tiny, I think I'll go ahead and just send some happy snail mail with this. So just like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Your favorite autumn quote, or if you don't like autumn, or whatever you want to say, and then I will pick someone in a couple weeks, so be on the lookout for that. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Bye.